In this video, I'll show you how to pin a location on iPhone, and I'll be demonstrating this on the iPhone 16. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open Maps on your iPhone device. And then you're going to want to use the search function right here to select a location. So if you don't see the location on your map right away, you want to go ahead and select a location. I'm going to just type something in that's random here, and then we will go ahead and select it. Now, once you find that specific location, you're going to want to zoom in to decide exactly where you want to pin that. You could pin it on a street around the building or place that you want to possibly meet someone, or you go ahead and pin like a parking lot. So I'm going to just go ahead and long press here because I'm going to drop a pin. So you would long press on the location you want to drop the pin, and then you're going to see this little pop-up here, this little circle here that shows that you have what looks like to be a dropped pin. So now you're going to see this pop-up here that says marked location, and you're going to just go ahead and scroll down until you see this pin here. You're going to tap that, and now it's pinned OK. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is either close out, or you can go ahead and share that. And you can share that by simply pressing this button here, which is a little share button, and then that'll allow you to share that with your contacts. But that pin will be saved permanently in your iPhone unless you go ahead and delete it. So if you want to find it later, that pin will always be there in that same spot. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.